I'm at Pilot Knob again today, near Yuma. There's a few geocaches I still need to get here. Plus there's an earth cache, my first earth cache. So I'm going to get that. This is interesting. One of the geocaches is at this old house that someone built in the desert for themselves. No one lives here now, but there's a lot of bottles and maybe some desert art. I don't know. It's kind of scary. I hope no one's in there. I put a lot of work into this little shack. And I guess I'm at the right place because geocache is fun. I guess the cache is inside of the house. This is kind of a scary one, but it's obviously in here. I'm a few feet from it, but I'm kind of leery. You just never know where a geocache is going to take you. And even though this is pretty trashy here, there's still flowers growing. I thought these were fake when I first saw them, but they are not. This is beautiful. Everywhere here. What a beauty. Here's a very interesting thing. One, that there's a tree out here that grew to be this big. And underneath, there's a hot tub. Geocaching can take you to some very strange places.